Well, so if someone want to join you, want to learn few things regarding English from you, so how
Yes,
he can join you?
they can join me online classes. I offer online classes through Zoom, and they can join me through my WhatsApp number. It's 0333483139. That's my number. They just text me, and I would give them my schedule. I would ask about their level of understanding, whether they want to learn English at basic level or intermediate level or advanced level, or if they want to appear in any international course like IELTS, TOEFL, Duolingo. So I would provide them different schedules. So according to their time availability, they can choose a schedule.
Well, so if someone don't have much more money to pay you, like for learning, how they can improve or learn English?
Right, I would first of all would give them very minimal charge. I've offer for minimal charges, like they can pay very little amount of money. But if they have some issues, they can discuss personally with me. So I would help them out. My YouTube channel is available. My WhatsApp channels are available. I also upload different videos, and the students learn a lot. I have many videos on pronunciation, grammar, and speaking skills, reading skills, writing skills, listening skills, especially related to IELTS, and general grammar and vocabulary videos. They can also join my YouTube channel free of cost. They can improve their language skills.
Well, it's a good way to learn without paying single penny to you.
Yes, one thing is, if you want to learn any language, you have to be the part of that language. And you have to be the part of language by listening to that language, by reading to that language, by speaking that language, by writing that language. So excel yourself in all these 4 skills and improve yourself. I hope you enjoyed this small podcast. And we'd have more chit chat with Mr. Shafi, inshallah, the next video. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.